Hey there! Welcome back to Lana Decor. Spring is finally here, and there is absolutely no better way to celebrate the season than by giving your mantle a gorgeous, fresh makeover. Today, I am sharing some of my all-time favorite upcycled farmhouse mantle ideas that are creative, budget-friendly, and absolutely stunning. Let's dive right in. If you have an old wooden ladder collecting dust in your garage, do not throw it away. Lean it right against your farmhouse mantle and let it become a stunning spring statement piece. Drape dried wildflowers and soft pastel ribbons from each rung to create a layered, flowing display that feels both rustic and effortlessly romantic this season. Mason jars are one of the most versatile upcycling tools you will ever have in your home. Group them together in varying heights along your mantle and fill each one with fresh spring tulips and bright daffodils. The combination of clear glass, golden yellow, and soft pink creates a cheerful and vibrant farmhouse display that instantly brightens any living space. That old window frame stored in your shed could be the most beautiful thing on your mantle this spring. Paint it in a distressed white finish, then prop it up as your centerpiece surrounded by soft spring greenery and potted plants. The weathered texture and rustic charm of the frame add depth and character to your classic farmhouse mantle setting. Never underestimate the humble tin can as a decor element in your farmhouse home. Wrap each can neatly in burlap twine, tuck a small succulent inside, and line them across your spring mantle for a simple yet deeply charming botanical display. This easy upcycle idea costs almost nothing but delivers a warm, handcrafted look that feels perfectly at home in spring. Nothing sets the mood for a spring mantle quite like a meaningful handwritten message on salvaged wood. Find an old piece of barnwood, sand it smooth, and letter a favorite spring quote directly onto the surface. Paired with fresh greenery and soft blooms, this simple DIY sign becomes a heartfelt focal point that captures the spirit and optimism of the spring season. A thrifted ceramic pitcher is one of those finds that always earns its place on a farmhouse mantel. Fill it generously with faux lavender stems to bring soft purple hues and a gentle floral fragrance-inspired aesthetic into your spring decor. The muted cream tones of classic farmhouse ceramics pair beautifully with lavender, creating a calming and sophisticated seasonal display on your mantel. Before you recycle those empty wine bottles, consider giving them a fresh and creative second life on your mantel. A light coat of matte pastel spray paint in mint, blush, or butter yellow transforms them into elegant bud vases ready for spring. Arrange them in a loose cluster of varying heights and tuck a single spring stem into each one for a charming display. Old books that are too worn to read can still tell a beautiful story as part of your spring decor. Tear out the pages and fold them into delicate origami butterflies and flowers, then string them together into a soft garland draped along your mantel edge. The ivory tones of aged paper bring an understated elegance that perfectly complements a classic farmhouse spring aesthetic. A salvaged wood plank painted with chalkboard paint becomes one of the most personal and flexible decor pieces you can own. Write a fresh spring message or a favorite seasonal quote in flowing chalk lettering and prop it up as a mantel focal point. Change the message as often as you like throughout the season to keep your farmhouse decor feeling current, fresh, and full of life. Mismatched candlestick holders gathered from thrift stores and flea markets have a certain magic when grouped together on a farmhouse mantel. Choose pieces in varying heights and finishes, from aged brass to painted whitewood, then pair each with a tall white taper candle. When lit in the early spring evening, they cast a warm and golden glow that makes your mantel feel truly enchanting. Cardboard egg crates might seem like trash, but in the hands of a creative decorator, they become an utterly charming spring display. Tuck soft decorative moss into each cup, then nestle small hand-painted faux robin eggs in pale speckled blue among the green. Set it along your farmhouse mantel as a playful and whimsical nod to spring nesting season that guests will absolutely adore. Old wooden thread spools or cable spools make surprisingly elegant risers for your spring mantel arrangement. Stack them under candles, small vases, or potted plants to create varying levels that draw the eye across the entire display. Their naturally weathered surfaces add authentic texture and warmth, giving your farmhouse mantel a thoughtfully layered and visually dynamic spring look without spending a single dollar on new decor. A well-worn wooden bread bowl carries years of history and warmth, making it a perfect vessel for spring farmhouse decor. Fill it with a generous arrangement of round decorative moss balls and nestle a small ceramic bunny figurine among the greenery. This simple yet deeply charming display adds a cozy, storybook quality to your mantel that captures the gentle and whimsical spirit of the spring season beautifully. A curated gallery of vintage botanical prints framed in distressed wood brings the beauty of nature indoors in the most elegant way. Arrange prints of spring flowers, ferns, and herbs in varying frame sizes above your mantel to create a layered and artistic display. The soft muted tones of antique botanical illustrations pair perfectly with a classic farmhouse aesthetic, adding sophistication and seasonal charm to your spring decor. An old kitchen colander might be the most unexpected and delightful vase you have ever placed on a mantel. Flip it upside down and use the drainage holes to hold individual stems of spring wildflowers in a loose and whimsical arrangement. The combination of everyday vintage kitchenware and fresh seasonal blooms creates a uniquely farmhouse moment full of personality, creativity, and cheerful spring energy on your mantel. A pair of old wooden shutters flanking your mantel can completely transform the architectural presence of your spring decor. Paint them in a soft, distressed white, then hang small handmade spring wreaths filled with pastel florals and fresh greenery on each shutter panel. The symmetry and scale of this display creates a grand and polished farmhouse look that feels both welcoming and beautifully curated for the season. And there you have it, gorgeous upcycled farmhouse mantel ideas to help you bring the beauty of spring right into your home. From rustic wooden ladders to charming moss-covered letters, every single idea on this list proves that you do not need to spend a fortune to create something truly stunning. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to Lana Decor so you never miss a new upload. Drop your favorite idea from today's video in the comments below. I would absolutely love to hear from you.